Hello. Today I'm showing my collector. This is my collector Star Trek Spock. I'm a Trekker. I love Star Trek. Okay, so this is my Spock doll, and he's not the main character, and neither is my mix Uhura Barbie mixed doll. It's like this is a fashion royalty head, and this is like so it doesn't fit perfectly. Look. And it's like a Barbie, regular Barbie doll body. But what I wanted to was to I got these two mini fashion brand series 2. I got them for a good price at my local grocery store. So I'm gonna I wanted to have the dolls here to show if they are like compatible, the things I get in them, if they fit the Barbie size dolls. Okay, so I have these two mini fashion models. I want to try if they fit these dolls. So I also thought I could show my Spock because he is really cool and she's pretty. So I like these mini fashion models. They are fun, but in Sweden they are like really expensive if they're not on sale or something. So. If you can hear something outside, it's my dog Lucas and my friend. I have a friend over here for Christmas, so he's looking after my dog right now. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's open this and see what's in. They were making a bit of noise. It's okay. And this one, we don't have to look at it every time, but sometimes it's fun to see which ones are like rare and not. But it doesn't show so well on the camera anyways. But I want that one, the pink one there. I want the blue one. They are quite beautiful. All the I have this one. I don't like it much. I'm sorry. Okay, so let's see. Okay. This is okay. It's like a sticker with a frill bag. And a classic kind of camera. It's cute. It's pretty. It suits. Okay, Spock can have that one. Eyelashes. They just painted on, but it looks great if you want to play like a display or play if you play like a fashion store or something. Or you can have them also. So I don't want to be like that. This is like it's like Tic Tac mints kind of, and they are cute because they're like it's like they are small. It's like candy in it. And oh, it's the lid fell off. Okay, so that is the lid for this one. So like that, it's prettier. Put the lid on. Okay. And let's see the bag. Oh, it's really nice. Look. Does it open? It does. It does open. This one is it's a cool one. Okay, it's a cool one. It's really nice, but it really fits Uhura's clothing as well. So she can keep the Tic Tacs in it. And, but I think you have to be like a bit not push it too hard here. It's a really nice bag. It's a really nice. Okay. I check it here in bag. It's this. that one. There's also one with gold on it. Okay, doesn't show it. Okay, okay, so that one. Okay, so let's open this one. So this one, same one. So okay. This one. What the? Okay, this is the shoe bag. I'm not, what? Do I hate it? Do I love it? I don't know. It's weird. Look. Okay. I'm not sure what I think about the shoe bag. I am not sure. But it's different. Okay. It fits her. And this is like what? Okay, this is like I think it's for like a bracelet kind of thing, maybe. Is it? I don't know. I guess. Oh. This okay, like that. It's great, okay. And this is, I guess, it's a lipstick, okay. God. And it's a nice sticker. And cute. It's like a neck. It's pendant. Oh, it's like broken heart pendant. It's like a best friend broken heart pendant. For like a earring or a phone or something. It's quite pretty. It's quite heavy also, so it's cute. It's cute. You can. I think it would be great for like wearing in your earring or like a something like that. It's really cute. It's nice. It's really nice. I like it. So, so that was it. So they were like really pretty things. I'm not sure about this shoe bag. Okay, it's like new kind of, well, it's like a cool style, you know. But I'm sorry, but it's I would really more have appreciated like a more classic bag like this one. This one is, even if it looks very much like a sticker here, it's a well made, nice, really nice bag for Barbie or like Integrity Toys. So, and the pendant, this one is actually it's quite pretty. So, and the retro camera and the fake eyelashes for some. Okay, so I'm not sure really what to do with the stickers. I have quite a lot of stickers right now, but it's okay. They are pretty, so maybe I can make like custom made like toy store or something. And so thank you so much for watching and opening these toy surprise balls with me. Thank you so much. I'll go back to my guest and my dog. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.